Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to the YouTube and Facebook channels of Professor Dr. Rizwan Jamil Qureshi. And I'm beginning lecture number 2 of Introduction to Information Technology course. In the lecture number 1, I define information technology, that information technology is the usage of computer science, telecommunication, and multimedia to send, process, and get the information. That's information technology. Then I define computer science, the science related to computers, and what's a computer. Computer is an electronic programmable device used to store, retrieve, and process the data. And telecommunication is used to transfer the data from one location to another location. It could be wired, it could be wireless. And the third technology is the multimedia technology, use of graphics or monitors or such technology, images, text, audio, video to display information. That's the multimedia technology. And there are different standards. Graphical image format, GIF is there. Then we have tagged image file format is there, then bitmap format is there, and there's JPEG, Joint Photograph Experts Group is there. That's the review of lecture 1. Now we talk about data, information, the raw facts. Information is the meaningful data. How many types of information? That's the topic of today's lecture. Any wild idea? What comes to your mind? There are 3 types of information: internal, external, and turnaround. Internal, external, and turnaround. Internal information, it is used for the internal usage of any organization like King Abdul Aziz University, like banks, Unilever, Nestle, Microsoft, Google. And then external, it is always produced, generated for the external usage of organization. Masalan, ATM cash receipts, your bill, fatura of supermarkets, invoices, shipment details. And the third type is turnaround. It is produced for environment, external environment. Then after the necessary data, it is returned to the parent organization, like survey or registration forms, checkbooks are the examples of turnaround information. Then the next topic is how many types of computers we have. The most and the fastest computer is named supercomputer. Supercomputer is the fastest computer in the world, and it can process more than 1 quadrillion instructions per second. So I use the word quadrillion. What is quadrillion? Is equal to 1000 trillion instructions per second. That's the capability of supercomputer, and the fastest supercomputer is made by USA, and the number 2 is in Japan. Then the next type is mainframe. Mainframe computers were introduced at the beginning, and they are of large size, like basketball court or greater than that. It can support more than 4,000 users at the same time, and normally research organizations, they have the mainframe computers, or the large companies. Then for less than 4,000 users they can use at the same time, mini computers were introduced, but now we call them mid-range servers. And server has 2 functionality. It is responsible to manage network resources and fulfills the request of client. That's the job of server. and we have different type of servers. Web server is there, file server is there, print server, so web server, print server, security server, backup server. So there are different examples. Web server is used to execute web applications. Print server is used for printing, shared printing. Backup server, if main server is down, like Google, Hotmail, there is a backup server. If it's crashed or in the ATM, so backup server will be there. Security server is there to provide security from attack, network attack. File server to store the files. So these are the different type of servers available. Then personal computers were introduced for personal usage by IBM. They are also called as microcomputers. Then laptops or notebooks were introduced, and tablets were there, and these are even mobile phones, the smartphones are there. Then the next topic is comparison between computers and humans. That I will cover inshallah in the next lecture. Thank you very much. Assalamu alaikum. Have a good day.